In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently delete all of your social emails in Gmail. Managing a cluttered inbox can be a daunting task, especially when it's flooded with numerous social notifications and updates. So let's dive in and take control of your Gmail once and for all. First, you'll want to open your Gmail account. Simply head over to mail.google.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll notice various categories on the left sidebar, such as primary, social, promotions, and more. These categories help in organizing your emails automatically based on their content. Now, to focus on your social emails, click on the Social tab. This is where all your notifications from social media platforms and other related emails are stored. You'll see a list of emails displayed. It's important to note that this area can get quite cluttered if not maintained regularly. Next, you need to select all the emails displayed in the Social tab. To do this, look for a small checkbox at the top left of the email list, right next to the Refresh button. Clicking this box selects all the emails that are currently visible on the first page. However, selecting just the visible emails might not be enough, especially if you've accumulated several pages of emails over time. So, after selecting the visible emails, look for an option that appears at the top saying something like, "Select all conversations in social." Click this link to select every single email under the Social tab. With all your social emails selected, it's time to delete them. At the top, you'll see a trash bin icon, which represents the delete function. Click this icon to move all the selected emails to your trash. A prompt might appear, asking you to confirm this action. Go ahead and confirm to proceed with the deletion. Once you've sent the emails to the trash, they will remain there for 30 days before being automatically purged. If you want to free up space immediately, you can navigate to the Trash tab in the left sidebar and choose Empty Trash Now. This action permanently deletes these emails, allowing you to reclaim storage space instantly. And there you have it, a clean and organized social tab in your Gmail, free from unnecessary notifications and distractions. Remember, keeping this section tidy on a regular basis will save you from this tedious task in the future. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips.